Maintenance engineering is part of the Control Technical Support degree standard. You'll study a bachelor's in maintenance engineering, you'll develop some workshop skills in mechanical and electronic engineering, and you'll apply your learning to the workplace. You'll study things like asset management, engineering systems, modelling and optimisation, and you'll look at the reliability, availability, maintainability and safety of the equipment that you'll be working with. This will suit someone who likes problem solving. If you think about maintenance, it's diagnosing problems, fixing them very quickly to make sure that production keeps running smoothly. Because you'll be looking at asset management, it needs somebody who's going to enjoy planning. At the end of all this, you can become a maintenance engineer, working either in manufacturing or logistics.